Hey guys, Chris here. This is the calm before the storm before Blizzard 2026. We're supposed to get up to 18 to 25 inches of snow. Wind gusts where I'm standing now are estimated to be up to 75 miles an hour. There's also a coastal flood advisory. I was just walking off the beach to try to get a better view of like the different side, and I found this right here. The ocean washed up part of a tree. Not sure where that came from. And I'll see you guys on the other side of the beach. So I made it down to the other side. Not really the other side, like I was wanting to get down all the way down there. But I figured I would get some clips of the ocean in this spot right here. It has gotten significantly colder. I'm not sure by how much degrees, but you can feel it. One final look at the beach. All right, it's about that time. Time to go home. I gotta go grab a shovel. The plow is stuck on my street right now. City plow is stuck on my street right now. Blizzard 2026. You got snow drifts that are up to my knees and waist. But oh, here comes another wind gust. Oh my. So one of the cool things about these blizzards is that it shapes the snow and actually looks pretty nice. Let me show you. This is what I mean. All the patterns and stuff from the snow just getting blown around. It's pretty cool. You ever wondered what winter looks at its worst? You're looking at it. I'm gonna go take a look and see if there's any damage just around the block. It's gonna be tough walking anywhere. So I don't think I'm gonna go far. All right, I made it to the exposed part of the beach. The waves are huge. but it is starting to get cold. So we start heading back soon, just knowing how long the walk's gonna take. I'm walking back home with jeans for a solid. I made it. That walk back took way longer than I was expecting. I was like 40 minutes or half hour. Oh, so tired. I'm gonna sleep all tonight. All right, peace out, guys.